Hi.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ.
Hi guys. Namaskara guys. ನಾನು ಶಶಿ, ಇವಳು ಗೌರಿ. Gauri, today I have something for you. You know what is this?
Of course, from here I can make out. What's that? Is it new phone?
Yes, new phone. Yeah.
You want to show off your new phone, right?
Of course, yes, because ನಾನು ಶೋ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ಏನಕ್ಕಂದ್ರೆ ಆನರ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಅವರು ನನಗೆ ಫೋನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ರಿವ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಂತ. You know, the Honor company, they gave me a new 5G phone, the new Honor Magic 4 Pro 5G phone. They gave me for the review.
Oh.
Really, yeah. It's really great. Yeah. You want to see?
Yeah, I want to see.
No, I'll not do it.
Why? Let me see.
No.
Let me unboxing.
Okay. Gauri unbox ಮಾಡ್ತಾನಂತೆ. ಮಾಡಮ್ಮ unboxing.
Okay, wow. Okay, let's open.
Wow. ನೋಡಿ, ಈ ಥರ ಇದೆ. ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಈ ಥರ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ.
ವಾವ್.
ಫೋನ್ ಗುಡ್ ರೈಟ್?
ಗುಡ್.
ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಫೋನ್ ಇದು. ಅದು 5G ಫೋನ್ ಅಂತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನನಗೆ ಅವರು ಯಾವ ಕಲರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಬ್ಲೂ ಕಲರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬ್ಲೂ ಕಲರ್. ಸಿಯಾನ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಸಿಯಾನ್.
Okay. Wow, the screen size?
The screen size is 6.81 inch.
Okay.
Yeah.
The weight?
Weight is around 215 grams, the weight.
Oh, okay, not very heavy actually.
Not heavy. Looks very manly and very stylish, right? The grip and all.
Yes.
Yeah.
And how about the camera?
Camera, okay. Camera.
I have a 4 camera here.
5 camera.
A 5 camera?
ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ 3 camera ಇದೆ. Front 2 cameras.
Wow, front 2
Yeah,
camera.
so
okay.
this one, the back side 3 cameras plus sensor. ಇದಕ್ಕೇನಂತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ eye of muse ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So this is a combination, right? This module complete this round circular eye of muse. They call it the eye of muse.
Okay.
Because it has 3 cameras and 2.
Any special?
Yeah, there is sensor is very special. It's a DOFT sensor.
Okay.
DOFT sensor andre direct on flight time sensor. So this sensor is really used for focusing during the night time.
Oh, for night time.
Yeah, night time focusing is very good.
How about the movie?
Movie also is very good because the main camera is 50 megapixel.
Okay.
And the second camera is also a 50 megapixel with
50. Wow, very.
Yeah, with 122 wide angle. And also they have one telescopic camera.
What's that?
Telescopic camera means like it's a 64 megapixel telescopic camera. From far objects you can zoom in.
Oh, then.
Yeah.
How far?
So how far means it has a combination of optical zoom 3x.
Okay.
And digital zoom about 100x.
Oh.
It's very far. Later I will show you. I'll take something. I can show you the zoom. This is amazing.
Okay.
Yeah.
So also go for the selfie?
Yeah. Wait. This also has a combination of electronic image stabilization and also optical image stabilization.
Wow.
ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಒಂದು ವೀಡಿಯೋ ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಕೈ ಶೇಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ವೀಡಿಯೋ ಶೇಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ತುಂಬ ನೀರು ಸ್ಮೂತ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಜಂಪ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ಅರ್ಥ್ಕ್ವೇಕ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ದ ವಿಡಿಯೋ, ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಎನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಶೇಕಿಂಗ್, ಕ್ಯಾಮರಾ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಶೇಕಿಂಗ್, ಬಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಶೇಕ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ optical image stabilization plus electronic image stabilization.
So next time he use this vlog.
Yes, it's a really
convenient.
It's a very good camera for vloggers. Yeah.
How about selfie?
Selfie, okay. They have front 2 camera ide, ಮುಂಗಡೆ 2 camera ide. So this one is to take the selfie. Okay. And other thing is that they have how to say, like artificial intelligence to unlock the phone.
Oh, you mean the face identification?
Face identification, 3D identification.
Oh, okay, very good.
Yeah, 3D identification. Yeah.
Okay.
So
let me see.
Okay.
Okay, you're holding.
And also one more, the camera it gives 4K video.
Wow, 4K video.
At 60 fps. 60 fps the 4K. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಲೋ ಮೋಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಖತ್ತಾಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಅದು 4K ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
They will take a lot of memory then.
Don't worry about the memory. Okay, the basic memory, the RAM comes 8 GB RAM, and the main memory storage, that is ROM, is 256 GB.
256 GB.
256 GB. Gauri, for another 5 years, you don't worry about the memory at all. Okay?
So we get a lot of video.
Lot of videos, everything is really great, you know.
Okay, let me see, man.
Okay, ಆಯ್ತಮ್ಮ, ನೀನೇ ತಗೊಳಮ್ಮ.
Yeah. Okay, here have a two button here.
Yeah, 2 button. Yeah, it has a 2 button. So one is for the volume up down, and ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಲಾಕ್ ಅನ್ಲಾಕ್ ಹೋಮ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಲಾಕ್ ಅನ್ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಅಥವಾ
Okay.
ಪವರ್ ಆನ್ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಟನ್.
Okay.
Yeah,
okay.
yeah, yeah.
Let me see, ma.
Okay.
And then here, this one. This one's
The Type C connector.
Type C connector. Okay.
Yeah, Type C connector. ಇನ್ನೊಂದೇನೆಂದರೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡಿಯೋ ಜಾಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. There is no audio jack.
Yes, how to use an earphone.
That's the old fashion now. So you have to buy an earphone which has a Bluetooth support.
Okay, this one have an earphone no? No, right?
Okay, check.
No.
See, they give you something. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಪಿನ್ ಬೇರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದು ಸಿಮ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಪಿನ್ ತೆಗೆಯೋಕ್ಕೆ. And also
the cover.
The cover. Oh, ಫೋನ್ ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ, ಹುಷಾರಮ್ಮ. See the cover, the glossy cover. See? ನೋಡಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಲೀನಾಗಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. And you check one more, what is there?
Okay, this is a socket, power, right?
This is a power adapter.
Okay, power adapter.
You know,
looks very big, huh?
This is a very big the power adapter. ಇದು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 100 watt ರೀ.
100 watt.
100 watt.
That means very fast charger.
You can charge this phone in 30 minutes.
Then full charger.
Full super fast charger ಇದೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ.
Wow, that's good.
Yeah.
And this one?
This one is a cable, simple cable for the computer, or the charging cable, or Type C cable for this very cable. Maybe this cable might be 1.5 meter ಇರಬೇಕ್ರಿ, ನಾನು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ, but
so okay. No earphone here.
No earphone.
So you need to buy extra.
Yeah, you need to have a earphone which has Type C ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಇಯರ್ಫೋನ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೀವು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಬರೀ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ, ಫೋನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಪವರ್ ಅಡ್ಯಾಪ್ಟರ್, ಅದು ಮತ್ತು USB ಕೇಬಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. So yeah.
So let me see my Okay, so this one, how to the fingerprint?
The fingerprint, okay. Normally the phone comes, they'll be having some kind of button here for the fingerprint. Back side ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು fingerprint sensor ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಬಟನ್ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಬಟನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. But ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ the fingerprint sensor is on the top of the screen, the middle of the screen.
So just a press.
For that.
Then how about the face identity?
Yeah,
so you say here, right?
I have the 3D depth already to the front camera.
Face.
Yeah. And also it comes with the Magic user interface 6.0. Magic UI 6.0 based on this user interface. Version 6 is from the Honor company, and ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ರೀ ಅದು. ನೀವು ಹೇಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಲೇಔಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಥೀಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ, ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಥೀಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. ಫೈಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. And this user interface is based on Android operating system 12.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what's special again? Anything else?
Yeah, the refresh rate, the display refresh rate. When you do the display refresh rate, right? It's very fast. It's 120 hertz. The refresh rate.
Okay.
Yes, it's very great and very bright and very colorful. Yeah.
So it's a 5G. So that means you can put dual SIM card?
Yeah. The dual SIM card, yes. And normally, some of the phones, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಫೋನಲ್ಲಿ SIM card tray ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Some of the SIM card tray will be side. But this has at the bottom side.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. And one more speciality of this SIM card tray is, normally like, okay, just I can see like, you can put one SIM card here and second SIM card here, or you can put a SD card.
Yes, SD card, yes.
But since this phone has already 256 GB, it's a hell lot of memory. So they don't have this option. ಈ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ SD ಕಾರ್ಡ್, ಮೈಕ್ರೋ SD ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಹಾಕೋ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಫೋನಲ್ಲಿ. ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಾಲಿಟಿ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ, ಇದು ಸಿಮ್ ಕಾರ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸಿಮ್ ಈ ಥರ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಿಮ್ಮು ಬ್ಯಾಕ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪುಟ್ 2 SIMs, nano SIM cards at the same site.
Okay.
Yeah, ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ಸಿಮ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ಸಿಮ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ.
Electronic SIM what?
Electronic SIM is not a physical SIM. It's something like you have to scan and you'll get some kind of number, something like that. Yeah.
Okay. I know.
ಅದು ಇದೆ really. Yeah.
I go to like a transportation, I just put like this.
Yes, something like that. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
So you say lot of memory, so that means the battery run very fast.
Yeah.
The battery now.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಟರಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 4500 mAh.
Oh. That means you tell me I can play how long time I can play.
Yeah, it's comes for a long time. Okay. And also it has the super power battery charger.
Okay.
And also it has a wireless battery charger.
Oh.
ಬಟ್ ವೈರ್ಲೆಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿ ಚಾರ್ಜರು ಇದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ನಾವು ಸಪ್ರೇಟಾಗಿ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬೈ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ಲಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ನೋ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, ದಿಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ CPU Snapdragon 8 Generation 1, the latest one.
Okay, that means play game very fast.
Yes, play game, it has a GPU Turbo X GPU. ಆಮೇಲೆ CPU ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸ್ನ್ಯಾಪ್ಡ್ರ್ಯಾಗನ್ 8 Generation 1 ಇದೆ. ಇದು ಎರಡು ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸಖತ್ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೇ ಅ ಗೇಮ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟು ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ದ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿ ಕನ್ಸಂಪ್ಷನ್. The battery will not consume fast, and also it also manages the heat efficient. The phone will not become hot.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sound like this one.
It's very good. Yes. And one more speciality ಅಂದ್ರೆ it has a speaker on the top.
Okay.
One speaker and also speaker at the bottom side, 2 speakers. So when you play the game, the sound effect game ಆಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ ನಮ್ಮದು KGF 2 ಮೂವಿ ನೋಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟು ಸಖತ್ತಾಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. Amazing sound effect because it has a movie master which has been enhanced by IMAX certification. So you'll get a kind of like a IMAX effect. ಸಖತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸೂಪರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
So you're happy with this phone?
Yes, really I can say this is cinematic game phone.
Okay.
You can take a cinematic videos. And also you can watch a cinematic affected movies, and also you can play a game. It's really good.
Okay.
It's a 5G network. It has a 5G network.
So give me now.
Okay. Hey, no, I'll not give you.
Why?
They give for me. I want to play.
No, let me play ma.
And you know the cost? The starting price of this phone is 5,500 Chinese yuan.
Okay.
Roughly around, if I convert into Indian rupees, it's like 60 to 65,000 Indian rupees. So it's nice. Really, I like this, and it comes with 3 great colors. One is a cyan, and one is orange, and one is a golden color.
I like what?
I like cyan, the royal blue. Okay. That's all. If you have any questions or any doubts, ಕೇಳಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮದು ಗೌರಿ ರೆಡಿ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ. until the
for the phone, right? The about specification, say answer them.
The technical question ನನಗೆ ಕೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಬೇರೆ ಜನ ನಾನ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ ಇವಳು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್, ಬಾಯ್, ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್, ಜೈ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ.